Setting the default input method for the Windows 10 login screen. I use an English version of Windows 10, but I have set the keyboard layout to German, Switzerland. This works fine if I am logged in with my user. The only keyboard available is my German Switzerland keyboard, which is exactly what I want. On the login screen, on the other hand, there are 3 keyboards available, which would be okay too, but German, Germany, is the default. Since most of the special characters are on different keys, logging in is difficult, unless I switch the keyboard every time. How can I change the default input method, keyboard layout for the login screen in Windows 10?
I had the same question, but with French being the default on Windows 10 rather than the one I wanted, so I ended up here. HUD is very close. I was able to use his suggestion to find the solution for me. This solution uses your current display and input language to change the welcome screen and possible for new user accounts if you want. So make sure you have the display and input settings while logged in that you want to apply to the login screen before doing the steps. Click the language on the taskbar. Then click Language Preferences. At the bottom under Related Settings, click Additional Date, Time, and AMP, Regional Settings, which opens the control panel. Click the Region option. Then go to the far right tab Administrative. HUD Step 2. In the Welcome screen and New User Accounts, click Copy Settings. HUD Step 3. Tick Welcome Screen and System Accounts, and New User Accounts if you want it to be applied to those as well. HUD Step 4. Click OK. HUD Step 5. I was able to use HUD's suggestion to find the solution here. It's for Windows 8.1, but works on 10 so far. Hope it will help you, too.
I'm on Win 7, so I will check again tonight on Win 10 to see if this is still correct. So first set up your own settings, language, keyboard, etc., the way you want it. Then do this. Open Control Panel and open Change Keyboard or other input methods. Open the tab Administrative. Click on Copy Settings. Tick Welcome Screen and System Accounts and New User Accounts if you feel like it. Click Apply and then OK.
In addition to the accepted solution, you should also save language for every application. When you switch between apps, your language should also change. Language Preferences and GT, Spelling, Typing and AMP, Keyboard Settings, under Related Settings, and GT, Advanced Keyboard Settings, under More Keyboard Settings. Set a checkbox Let me use a different input method for each app window. Now you will have English in a login screen.
The accepted solution from user Ender might not work because it lacks a final step. As the answer from user Alexander Davidenko states, there is another option that will automatically revert the changes you just made if you only follow Ender's answer. To counter this automatic reversion, do every step from Ender's solution, 8 steps. Type Windows key plus R to open the Run window. Input credit.msc and hit Enter to open Local Group Policy Editor. In the left tree view, select Local Group Policy and GT, Computer Configuration and GT, Administrative Templates. On the right pane, open System and GT, Local Services. Modify the setting,
Disallow copying of user input methods to the system account for sign-in, to enabled. You should finally be able to use your current keyboard layout as a default input method in the welcome screen.
If you want to support the channel, please comment